Welcome to this beautiful condo. It is a corner unit. It is 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom located in Solaria.
This property has a great location. It's located in El Tezal, close to shopping, dining, and supermarkets, with a stunning view of Land's End, ocean view, and city view. Come and take a look at this turnkey property. Wasn't the property beautiful? And right now we're in one of the amenities, which is one of the multiple pools that Solaria has. This is the adult clubhouse with spa, gym, adult pool, restaurant area. You also have a kids pool and a kids play area.
And the pickleball courts. So Solaria is a great place, as Jesus said before. The location is great. You also have 2 parking spots underground, so your car will be always covered. The amenities are great, location is great, beautiful views. So this condo is a gem in El Tezal.
What's the price, Gabby?
The price is great as well. It's $675,000. And if you want more information, please feel free to contact us. See you in the next one.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you really enjoyed it.
If you're looking to buy or sell in La Baja, please make sure to contact us. We'll be very happy to assist you.
Here's our contact information down below, and make sure to watch all our other videos.